So guys, I'm gonna be showing you my Steel Brainrot base. First we have a Mateo Hat Aquanaut, Strawberry Flamin' Jelly with a bunch of mutations, Triplito Tralitos, Boneca Ambarabu with Strawberry and Freezing mutation, Pichona Machina, Nubidin Pizzanini with Strawberry trait, Bandito Poputo with Strawberry trait, Talbot de Fedo with Strawberry trait, and the Gorito de Chatada, and the Gold Triplito Tralitos. Oh no. And we have Strawberry Christmas Mamat Triplito Tralitos again for the third time. Well, no, maybe fourth. And a Strawberry Pandanini Frostini, Strawberry and Santa Tapo de Ferro, Gold Triplito Tralitos again. And a Ross 25. Thank you for watching.